Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Britax baby stroller. Yep. The Britax baby stroller. It's a B-angled. Yeah. Yeah. B-angled. Yes. Okay. Well, I haven't had to use this stroller in a very long time, but I've had it for around almost 6 years now. My son is a lot older now, so he doesn't need it, but I got a lot of use out of this. It has a lot of nice features. Right now it's pretty old, but it still works really well. Yeah, okay, I got the black model. I'm not sure how many different colors this comes in, but as you can see, it fits a toddler or a baby to the age of 5, I would say, you know. This part, first of all, goes all the way back, exposing the child all the way. Yeah, and the child will sit here, and it has even straps for the baby to strap in and clamp in, much like a car seat that you would have in your car. Yeah, and it's very comfortable. My son would fall asleep in this really fast, really easy, just from strolling around just for a short time. It's really comfortable, especially if you have the top pulled down, you know, all the way, you know. Yeah. Also, it has a pouch on the underside, back there, on the underside here, where you can carry different things, you know, any kind of belongings that you would have, like say you're going to any amusement park or just out anywhere where you're going to be spending the day and you want to carry things. This is a good deal. I mean, you can put all kind of things in there, and it's very strong. Yeah, it holds a lot, and it has very strong, hefty tires. That front and in the back has only 3 wheels, and yeah, it really serves its purpose. Also, this part here is so you can look through, as like a mesh cover right here, so you can look through and see your kid as you're strolling. If you have this all the way pulled down, see, if you have that all the way pulled down like this, and you can want to see, or you have this special flap right here that you can cover this to keep all the sun out. Yeah, this is I guess just to peek and see what your kid's doing without having to go all the way to the front and putting that back. Yeah, this is really good. And it also has another compartment here that you can open that zips all the way across, and there's another bag in here, a pouch that you can carry stuff. And underneath you have another mesh opening here so you can see your child inside. Yeah, see, you can see all the way through. Isn't that cool? Yeah, this is a really good stroller. It really gets a lot of use out of it. I mean, you really can use it just about anywhere, especially with these kind of tires. These tires will really do you well. And it has an attachment here, these parts, so if you want to put like an attachable carrier, you can fit it right here, and you know, it'll be facing this way, you know, the opposite way. Yeah, it's really good. I really like this stroller. It was a good buy for me. I can't say it's really cheap. It's kind of in the middle range of expensive, between expensive and cheap, I guess, strollers, but it's affordable, and you will get a lot of use out of it. Any downside? I've seen certain strollers that have actually tires on them that have like some kind of a shock or something, so you don't feel the bumps too much. These tires are kind of hard, and I mean they're rubber, but they're kind of hard, so you kind of feel the bumps if you're going down the street and the road is not too smooth. You kind of feel the bumps, but I expected that wasn't a real deterrent. But if you need a downside, that would be probably the only one I could think of. Yeah, but it is a really, really good buy. I like it a lot. Okay, guys, yes, so this is the Britax baby stroller. All right, okay, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.